Archicad's inbuilt energy evaluation tool allows you to easily create a detailed report on the energy consumption of your project. The report includes information on things like the consumption and cost of energy per square meter per year, how the building's energy balance varies by month, how the total energy consumption is divided between energy sources, and how the total energy is divided between consumption targets like heating, cooling, and lighting. This report is useful since with it you can quickly compare the energy performance of different versions of your design. Just to use a very simple example, if I used low-energy triple-glazed windows in this project instead of ordinary double-glazed windows, I would save 446 kilowatt-hours per year. So let's have a brief look at how you can create the energy report. In essence, you need to supply Archicad with three kinds of information: geometrical and structural information, information relating to the building system, occupancy profile, and energy sources, and information on the environment. Let's start with the geometrical and structural information. This basically means your 3D model, including zones and structural types for floors, walls, and roof structures. Zones essentially show the volume of each of your rooms. They can be created in the floor plan view using just a few clicks. As you can see, Archicad automatically detects walls and other boundaries of the zone. In this floor plan view, you can also see how I have defined the thicknesses and materials of each layer in the exterior wall structure. And here you can see the precise definition of this structure. In addition, walls of course have doors and windows. These need to be included in the 3D model when the energy evaluation is conducted. The information from the zones, structures, and openings thus allows Archicad to automatically calculate things like the U value of the external structures and openings, how much solar energy enters the house through openings, and the total volume of air that needs to be heated up in the building. Now let's move on to the second category of information that Archicad needs to create the energy report: the building system, occupancy profile, and energy sources. This includes information on topics such as where the building gets its heat from, district heating or a ground heat pump, for example, how much the energy costs, and what is its ultimate source. For example, is electricity provided through natural gas or solar power? Other questions include how much lighting and hot water the building occupants consume per day, and what is the desired minimum and maximum temperature inside the building. Lastly, to complete the energy evaluation, you need to provide information on the third category, i.e. the building's environment. This includes things like which part of the world is the building located in. You can either let Archicad automatically load a climate file based on this location, or provide your own climate data. Finally, Archicad can even take into account whether windows have trees in front of them to reduce the solar incidence during summertime. Here's a comparison showing the impact of a large tree in front of several south-facing windows. This solar analysis shows the percentage of glazed area exposed to direct sunlight for all the windows in the project at different times of the year. Blue represents less solar exposure. You can see that the tree has the biggest impact during summer. This is because Archicad is able to take into account the fact that the tree has leaves during summer and therefore blocks sunlight more effectively than during winter. Overall, the design with the tree consumes more energy for heating during winter, but it also requires less energy for cooling during summer. In total, the tree reduces annual energy consumption by 17 kilowatt-hours. So just to end with a quick recap, by defining all the settings I have mentioned in this video, you can create a detailed energy report with Archicad. Once the settings have been defined, it is very easy to change your 3D model and generate a new report to evaluate the impact of the change.